Hi, and welcome to the channel. Today we will be looking at Caldercraft's 1.72 scale HMS Victory. It's worth pointing out, this is, I believe, the largest scale HMS Victory kit available. First thing that hits you is the size of the box, being over 1 metre in length. The next surprise is the weight of the box, weighing in at 14 kilograms. Just under 31 pounds. The box sleeve depicts various views of the completed model. In addition to that, some additional kits available from Caldercraft. Dimensions for the kit are 1,386 millimeters in length, 525 millimeters in width, and 940 millimeters in height. So you can see it's quite a large model. So before you rush out and buy it, make sure you have the room to build it and the space to display it. Also bear in mind the advertised construction time for the model is 3,000 hours. Let's put that into perspective. If you were to spend 2 to 3 hours a day working on the kit, it would take you between 3 and 4 years to complete. Now let's see what's in the box. We have a nice selection of timber here. We've got walnuts, lime-wood, I'm not sure if I'm going to pronounce this right, Tanyankyo, and beech. Also quite a few brass strips. There are 3 booklets, 1 construction of the hull, masts and rigging, and the parts list. We will come back to these later. There are also 18 sheets of plans. I can't open them here because I haven't got enough space. But if you would like me to do a separate video, I'll commandeer the dining room table so that I can open them up properly. I've got a couple of bags of brass cannons here. Some of these are the fake ones that fit into the hull, and some to go on carriages. A selection of cottons for the rigging. Let's have a look in the fittings set. Got some copper plates for the hull. Selection of blocks. Some of these blocks are really small. I've never seen them this small before. Got cannonballs. Glay pins. Not what sure what these are. This box never seems to end. War blocks. And well, the detail of these parts is amazing. I guess that's one of the benefits of having such a large scale model. Lots of brass etched parts. Again, the detail is amazing. Nice thick ply sheets here. You can see these parts have been cut using a CNC machine. Benefit of this is no scorch marks. Downside, lots of sawdust. Some sheets of walnut parts, again CNC'd. not come across a CNC cut kit for a number of years, most now being laser cut. You can see how large some of these ribs are. The lower gun deck. More walnut parts. These are for the fake gun ports. Pre-cut gun ports. Few gun carriages, only a few mind. Look at the detail on here. Now let's have a look at the instruction books. We have a copy of a letter from the curator of HMS Victory confirming that the model is an accurate portrayal of Victory as she would have appeared in 1805. Now, these instructions are used in conjunction with the plans. Remember, if you want to see the plans, I can do a separate video. Just leave a comment down below. As you can see, the instructions are quite detailed with additional pictures and diagrams. Very nice. The price of this kit is definitely justified. I've never come across a kit with so much in it. The quality and detail is unparalleled. This kit costs around £1,200. Not the most expensive HMS Victory kit, but definitely not the cheapest. But in my view, it seems worth every penny. To sum things up, in my opinion, this kit is on another level. The details are amazing, the quality of the parts top notch. At the moment I can't fault it. That, however, could change during the course of the build, but as of now, I think it is one of the best kits I've come across. Thanks for watching.